going on, everybody? We're here in Poteet, Texas. We're checking out the Thrill. We have a spec home on this lot. It's real peaceful, about 30 minutes away from downtown San Antonio. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,500 square feet. Get about an acre of land here. We're actually having a open house this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So you can come out and check it out yourself in person. But since you're on this live, we wanted to show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what the house looks like. So let's go check it out. So this house is all ready to go. We tested this out not so long ago. There's water kind of set up, so the septic tank is probably all good to go. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,500 square feet, about an acre of land. It's real peaceful out here. Like I said, only 30 minutes from downtown San Antonio, so you get country living, but you also really, just with a little drive, I mean, you're right there by the city. We're having an open house from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. this Saturday. We'd love to have you out. Just come check it out. See if this is the right fit for you. If it's not, maybe your family or friends, this is good for them too as well. So.
And what's the address?
The address is 700 Avery Circle in Poteet, Texas. So give us a call, get in contact with one of our housing consultants. They'll get you squared away. If not, I mean, you could jump on our website at farmmymobilehome.com and find out any information about the spec home. I just jumped on it right now and saw everything. So any information you want to know about details about the home, it'll be on the website too as well.